Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your QuickBooks Online, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete an expense in your QuickBooks Online account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete an expense in your QuickBooks Online anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're managing your books, you know that sometimes you accidentally add the same expense twice, so you have to delete that extra expense. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your QuickBooks Online. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my QuickBooks Online, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you have to delete an expense, what you're going to do is click on this button here, menu. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down menu and click on expenses. Once you do that, you're going to see these two options, and then once again, click on expenses. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of your expenses. So you just need to scroll through until you find the expense that you would like to delete. If you have a huge amount of expenses, you can go ahead and use the filter feature. And once you do that, you can go ahead and choose from certain dates. Once you found the transaction, off here to the right, you're going to click on this little blue downward arrow. Once you do that, you'll see these four options, and you want to click on delete. Next, you're going to get this warning from QuickBooks. Are you sure you want to delete this expense or this transaction? If so, click the green delete button. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now that expense has been deleted from your QuickBooks Online, so it's not going to appear in any of your reports. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete an expense in your QuickBooks Online, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.